Most Bosch dishwashers have a factory setting of H04. This is the salt setting. Even the other brands of dishwashers have a salt setting of somewhere in the middle range. If they are, it is from H0 to H5 or H6. It's somewhere in the middle, like H2 or H3. So in this video, I'm going to show how to set salt level in this SMS66GW01 model. Press the power on. Press this echo program and the start simultaneously. So you get this on the display panel, H04, the factory setting. Now to increase or decrease this, so the range is between H00 to H07. So you keep pressing this pre-rinse option, this program, and it goes up to H07. You press again, it goes to H00. H00 is no salt. No salt is required. If your water is very soft and don't want salt, you can keep it at H00. Now you keep pressing till you want the desired salt setting. So based on your water hardness, you have to set the salt setting. So I'm going to keep at H01. That is what is required for my water hardness. So and then press the start button, so that gets locked. Now this is stored. So your hardness level, salt level setting will be at H01 now. Similarly, now for rinse aid also has to be set based on your water hardness. Now let's see how to adjust the rinse aid level. Again, you have to do the same procedure. Press this echo program button and start button simultaneously. You've gone to H, press once more and once more. So you come to the rinse aid level, and this is the factory setting, R05. So every Bosch machine has R05 as a factory setting. Here again, by using this pre-rinse button, you can select the desired rinse aid level you want. So I am going to keep it at, it is up to R00 to R06. R01 is what I am going to save it as. So pressing the start button, this gets stored. So now I have saved the setting, salt setting at H01 and rinse aid setting at R01. So I have done in this dishwasher, that is SMS66GW01I. Similarly, in any brand of machine, any brand of dishwasher, you are supposed to set the salt and rinse aid levels. I have told this time and again in all my videos that setting of salt level and rinse aid level is very important, as you will get best cleaning results only if you set the correct level of salt and rinse aid. And salt is for softening, and rinse aid is for getting streak-free utensils and sparkling glassware without any streaks or stains. And rinse aid is also, there's one more purpose for rinse aid, which is drying purpose. Setting of the salt level and setting of rinse aid level in any machine is very important.